Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode, we're going to look at this Hela Curry water bottle. A water bottle by a brand of Ketchup curry. I don't know, it's weird, but it's actually really cool because this is the exact same bottle as you get your curry in. It is official Hela merchandise and it says Hela Curry drink bottle on the side. You got some commercials for Hela. It has a water bottle top. And, well, of course, you can open the top, open the cap, and you can drink water out of it. And you can sip easily. It works really well, but you can also use it to refill your water bottle by removing the cap and you just got your bottle. Well, that works, of course. All in all, it's just a fun gadget by a fun company. They also have a beer. That's for another review. This is really fun. It works, and it's only €7. And we live in an age where water bottles are sold for €20, €30, €40, I don't know. And this is like a meme product, but I actually use it when I work out. It works really well. Normally water bottles are a bit shorter, but this one works really well. It's just a great product. So for €7, this is definitely a 5-star product. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check you later.